Sometimes we'll receive gas detectors that will have different alarm points or calibration values than what's required. This is just an example, but this gas detector has an isobutylene sensor installed, and I know that in this case it's set to 200 ppm, and I'm looking at my calibration gas for isobutylene, and it's 100 ppm. So this would apply to many other sensors, for example, HCN like hydrogen cyanide, or even different values for carbon monoxide and stuff like that. So if I want to change, I want to tell the meter what my calibration gas value is, I would hold down the middle button. Okay, and it's going to go into the menu, the calibration menu. Okay, and so I go down to service and hit select. And I'm going to use this code 1100. And sometimes it can be tricky to enter. It's a combination of this and then the middle button to do it. When I enter that, it'll bring me into System and Sensors. So I want to go down to Sensors, and I hit Select. And I want to go over, in this case, to isobutylene, but again, it could be any sensor where it's not matching the cal gas. I select it. I go to Calibrate. And I'm not really going to calibrate, but what I want to do is go in here, and you can see that the readout now is there's no gas on it. But the cal gas is wrong. It's saying 200. It should be 100. So I hit gas, and now I can use the up and down key to move it to 100. So this can be a little bit tricky as well. I'm going to keep moving it down. Okay, and when I have it the way I want, I hit exit. And I could actually start a calibration now at 100 ppm if I wanted to, but I'm not really looking to do that right now. If I hit exit again, now I could go into, we also get some in that have different alarm settings. So if I go into alarms, I could go in and change those values as well. If I hit edit, put it up and down, and then exit. Now this is really important. So I've changed that calibration gas value under calibrate. When I exit out, if I keep exiting, and now it says detect, I hit detect, but it says save new adjustment. So I want to say yes. So that will lock in that new value. So now I could go in and do a calibration either on the dock or with the manual regulator and the gas, and it would, now that the monitor knows that it should be looking for 100 ppm isobutylene for the calibration. So I hope that helps.